Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious garlic bread. So for this you're going to be needing some French bread. This is a very inexpensive French bread. You can use any type of French bread that you want. And I have half a cup of softened butter and 1/8 cup of freshly chopped parsley. And I'll be using half a teaspoon of oregano leaf and half a teaspoon of basil and 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic, and foil, and of course some salt. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so you're going to start by adding your butter in a bowl, nice and soft. And to that, you're going to add your minced garlic, 1 tablespoon. And to that, I'm going to add my dry herbs, half a teaspoon of each, or you can add more if you want. And then I'm going to add that parsley, and to that, I'm going to add my salt. And all you do now is just mix everything together. If you haven't, please go like my Facebook page. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and come snap with me on Snapchat. I will leave the link for all those down in the description box for you guys to check out. And please push that notification bell to get notified every time I upload a video. I upload every Sunday at 6 a.m. Mountain Time. I don't want you guys to miss out on the videos. So now the butter is ready to be spread on that French bread. You want to make sure you preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Take your bread and place it on top of that foil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my bread using a knife bread. Just slice into that bread. I'm going to cut it all the way through. Just like this. And now you want to take that butter spread and just butter each side of your bread. This is going to be so delicious with some lasagna or even spaghetti. And I make this shrimp Alfredo, so you guys make sure you check out that video. This will go so well with that as well. I will leave the link for that video down in the description box for you guys to check out, along with some other pasta videos that I have. Like I said, this will go so well with some lasagna. Make sure I use all that butter. Nice and buttery. Again, remember to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and flip that over again and then fold my foil over. And you are going to bake this in the oven for 10 minutes. And then once the 10 minutes is up, we're gonna set our oven to the broil and allow it to get some color on top. But first, you wanna go ahead and bake this for 10 minutes. Okay, my 10 minutes is up. You guys have to be really careful because of course, this just came out of the oven, so it is super hot. So now you want to go ahead and open that and set your oven to broil for 500 degrees normally. And now you want to go ahead and open this. So now we are trying to get some color. I like mine to have that golden brown color. So I'm going to stick this back in the oven just to get it nice and crispy for about 5 minutes, or until it's nice and crispy. Like I said, make sure you keep an eye on it because it can burn very easy and very fast. Okay, my garlic bread is done. You see what I was telling you guys? I literally walked away from the oven and mine was coming to an almost burnt garlic bread, but I really like my bread nice and crispy, so this is kind of perfect for me. But like I said, please keep an eye on your bread when you put it in the oven, when you have your oven set to the broil. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.